Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Koezika the Puffy Puller. You can call me PMP. I film on faith, purpose and lifestyle. I know it has been a while I haven't uploaded a video. By God's grace, I'm a chef. You can see me in my restaurant. So today I decided to carry you guys along to show you how I debone the chicken before we grill it and serve it to customers. So you see what I'm trying to remove is what we call the wishbone. Just that this one didn't come out well, so it break, because without, if you don't remove this wishbone, you can't debone the chicken very well from the breast. So you can see now I've already begun deboning the chicken. So you have to separate the two breasts with a line on the middle. From then after, now you start from any of the breast beside to separate the breast from the bones, what we call the carcass. We call it the carcass. So you can see me deboning the chicken. The breast was a little bit hard because there was still some little ice in there, so but I still have to try and see how I can debone the breast without it breaking. So you can see me doing it gently, because you have to be very careful for the breast not to break. Because it's very important. When the breast break, when you grill it does not look presentable. So you can see me taking my time, doing it gently to make sure that there is no bone on the breast, because customer, when they eat the breast, they have great chicken. If there's a bone there, they will complain. Hi guys, as you can see, I'm done with deboning the chicken. So that's the carcass. We can use it also for stock. So what you can see, that's a perfect size of a half grilled chicken. So now I will proceed. Now I will remove the bones at the thighs on both halves of the chicken. You have to remove the bones there, and then also I will cut off the wings. So to have a perfect size of a half grilled chicken, for it to look presentable when you grill it and serve to the customers. As you can see, I'm removing the bones from the thighs. I'll remove both half grilled chicken. I'll remove the bones, and then also I will cut off the wings. I will cut it off so that when you grill it, it will look presentable and it will cook well. Removing it, chopped it off. That bone, that one is not needed. That's the wings. I have to cut it off. So cut it off. Now, wow, that's the perfect size of a half grilled chicken. Then you have to shape it also. Shape it to remove the excess skin. Chopped it off. Wow, that's the perfect size of a half grilled chicken. I will do the same also for this one. Yeah, you have grilled chicken is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe. I'm called Ezekiel the Prophet Polar. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.